What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today we are continuing on our series of how to roller skate down a hill, and I'm going to teach you how to bomb a hill. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you want to learn how to roller skate, or if you're interested in roller skating, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post. So what is a hill bomb? A hill bomb is when you go down a hill straight away. You don't carve, you're not going backwards, you're just taking the hill and just saying, we're gonna do this. You end up usually going really, really fast, and it's a lot of fun, but it is definitely dangerous. If you have not yet bombed a hill, this is going to be an introduction, but it's also a more advanced technique. So if you are not an advanced skater or intermediate skater, then I highly recommend you watch the other two videos, which talk about other ways to go down hills first. So in order to be able to bomb a hill, you're gonna want to know how to turn around toe stop quickly. And by quickly, I mean really quickly, because bombing a hill is actually really dangerous. You catch a lot of speed, especially at the bottom, and oftentimes you don't know what's at the bottom. So steps to going down to bombing a hill: 1, make sure that you have gone up the hill. Before you ever bomb a hill, you should definitely skate up that hill first. So never bomb a hill that you haven't skated up. So we want to make sure we know what's at the bottom, so we are prepared and we have a plan, an exit strategy, and then we can get ready to bomb our hill. 2, I would highly recommend that you bend those knees. Bend those knees a lot, make sure that you are in a loose position. And 3, I would recommend that you stagger your feet. If you stagger your feet, you're gonna be in a more solid position, because you might end up getting the wobbles, and if you get the wobbles, you're gonna wanna be able to rely on your position in your body in order to absorb any fear your body is feeling. And then you just go for it. And at the bottom, I would recommend you turn around toe stop, or you have an exit strategy some other way. Some other things to note is, 1, I would definitely check and make sure that your toe stops are on there really tight, because when you're turning around and toe stop, you really don't have room to have a loose toe stop or to have a toe stop fall off, because let me tell you from experience, literally this happened yesterday when I tried to stop and my toe stop just wasn't there and I face planted onto the ground. So you really want to make sure, wrench that toe stop in, make sure that's set there. And then also, if you're a person that likes your trucks loose, you might be more likely to get the wobbles. So just be aware that if your trucks are loose, that wobble feeling, those noodle legs feeling, you probably will get that faster than someone who has their trucks on a little bit tighter. So just be aware of that. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support me or support this channel, just go ahead and head on over to www.cheerstothequeers.com, and you can buy merch or buy other cute stuff that I've curated in that shop. But most importantly, cheers to the queers!